welcome to your tour of Powerlink, Port Elgin's first and only A1 office building. Come for a tour. So with 3 floors, this building offers many flexible options, from boardrooms to private rooms, as well as semi-private rooms, available to rent by the hour, half day, or a full day. We also have term lease options and purchase options available. So here is a perfect example of what a semi-private and a private office rental looks like. With individual restrooms on each level and a communal coffee shop and lunch area, makes it excellent for all of your staff and clients. With 2 showers located in the building and a handicap accessible washroom, this building caters to everybody. This is an example of one of the larger boardrooms. So as you can see, Powerlink caters to all sizes of businesses, from small enterprises to large ones. You will also find the Terry Hastings Real Estate Group office here on the 2nd floor. So for any of your real estate needs, I'm just a door's knock away. Located on the 3rd floor, you'll find Loft 1020. This is a flexible space for any of your party and entertainment needs, Christmas parties, birthday parties, family reunions. Also, you'll find the hot seats, which are fully open and public spaces for you to rent and do your desk work while you're in visiting the area. Loft 1020 is also home to the Electric Cafe, which is brought to you by Rabbit Dash, a local cafe here in Port Elgin. You can come up here for your specialty coffees and your light bites. Loft 1020 also has a pool table, a really nice CD and record collection to put on some tunes, really cool space to hang out with your colleagues and clients, relax, have a quick bite and a hot coffee, and just enjoy it. Powerlink also provides a la carte services, such as printing, storage, and reception services. The idea here is really to provide a full solution to many business needs.
Hi everybody, Andrew Hill here. I'm the developer of the Powerlink project. The goal of Powerlink is quite simple. We're building community. We have office facilities, we have event facilities, we have storage facilities, we have everything that you need to elevate your business, to elevate your events to a much higher level than we're typically used to in the Saugeen Shores area. But we welcome everybody to come in, take a tour, check out everything we're doing, and bring us your ideas, because we're open to collaborations also.
Thanks so much for joining us here on your tour of Powerlink. This is Austin Kaczmarski, Realtor with the Terry Hastings Real Estate Group, Keller Williams Realty Centers.